Hello everyone, in this video we will be doing some more multiplication problems. So let's get started. Problem number 1 asks, a pot has 5 flowers in it. How many flowers will be in 6 pots? So let's draw this problem again. We have said this in the past few days that if a problem seems difficult, drawing it can always help. Okay. So here we have a pot, and we know that it has 5 flowers in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? We're being asked how many flowers will be in 6 pots. So we can make another one, and then another one. So that's 3, and then another 3, for a total of 6. So here we have to do, to find out how many flowers there are altogether, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 5 plus 5 plus 5, because there are 5 flowers in each pot. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So that's 6 fives. Which, if I wanted to write that as a multiplication, would be 6 times 5. Now, if we remember our trick for multiplying with 5, we should remember that we need to say the song of 5, so up until the 6th number. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, stop. That's the 6th number. So 30. And my answer should be that there are 30 flowers. Let's erase these. I'm taking up a bit of room. Next up, problem number 2 says, a house has 2 windows. How many windows will 7 houses have? So let's make a house. And the problem tells us that the house has 2 windows. So 1, 2. Doesn't look right. There we go. Okay, so then it asks how many windows will 7 houses have? So let's make 7 houses. 2, 4, 6, 7. So to find the number of windows in all the houses, I would have to do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So that would be a total of 7 twos. So as a multiplication, I would write that as 7 times 2. Now, if we remember our trick for when we multiply with 2, we say that We just need to find the double of whatever number we're multiplying 2 with. So 7 times 2 is the double of 7, so 14. And my answer should be that they will have 14 windows. Next up, problem number 3 says a tree has 10 apples. How many apples will be on 10 trees? Let's make a tree. Okay, so there we have a tree, and we said that each tree has how many? 10 apples, right? So let's make 10 apples on this tree. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples on this tree. Now I'm going to make it a little smaller so that they can all fit. Let's make 10 of them. Now we have 4. Now we have 8. And now we have 10, and they kind of look like lollipops. Now they're still trees. So we have 10 trees here, and each tree has 10 apples. So to find the total number of apples, I would have to do 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 tens, basically. So 10 plus 10. 10 tens. And as a multiplication, I would write that as 10 times 10. If you remember our trick for multiplying with 10, we asked what number are we multiplying this 10 with? I'm multiplying it with 10. So my result is going to be that number, so 10, with another 0 at the end. So 100. And my answer should be, there will be 100 apples. Let's move on. Problem number 4. A car can fit 5 people. How many people can 3 cars fit? All right, well, it's a bit difficult to make a car right now, so we're going to pretend, well, no, we can. We're going to pretend that this is a car. All right, I'll even give it wheels. There we go. That's our car. And we're being told that it can fit a total of 5 people. So this car has 5 people in it. You can't see the people inside because the windows are too dark. So this car has 5 people, and then we're being asked how many people will be in 3 cars. So 1, 2, 3. Well, the answer is going to be 5 and 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Or as a multiplication, 3 times 5. I'm going to say the song of 5 until the third number because I'm multiplying 5 with 3. So I would say 5, 10, 15. The answer is 15. And I should write that 3 cars can fit 15 people. Next up, a teacher has 10 students. How many students will 4 teachers have? All right. I'm going to make the teacher. So here's the teacher. And then we're going to make her 10 students, or his. Three, 4, 5, and then make another 5. For a total of 10. Now this is one teacher with 10 students. And we're being asked how many students 4 teachers will have. So let's make this for, whoa, wait a minute. Let's make some more teachers. Now we have 3. Let's make some room. We can make one more. Here we have now 4 teachers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. To find the number of students, I would have to say 10 from one teacher, plus 10 from another, plus 10, plus 10. So that's 4 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Or as a multiplication, I would write that as 4 times 10. And if we remember how to do multiplication with 10, we say, what number am I multiplying with 10? I'm multiplying 10 with 4. So my result is going to be 4 with a 0 at the end, or 40. Next up, we have a problem that says that a cat has 4 legs. How many legs do 2 cats have? Well, here's one cat with 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. That looks more like a horse, but imagine that it's a cat. Well, 2 cats will have 4 and 4 legs. 4 and 4, which makes 2 times 4 as a multiplication. And we can see immediately that this, we know how much 4 plus 4 is. We know that 4 plus 4 is 8. So the double of 4. Since we're multiplying 2 with 4, our result is the double of 4, 8. And our answer should be that 2 cats have 8 legs. Oh, and I didn't write an answer before here. Here we should have written 4 teachers have 40 students. And that will be all for today. I will see you guys again on Friday's video.